Whoa, hello! So anyway guys, I tell you what, this little product called the Drain King, money well spent, cost me $10 and unstopped it in 2 minutes. And like I said before, I'd been messing with this drain for 3 days, just off and on, trying to plunge it, pour liquids down it, you know, plunge it some more. Was getting really tired of it. But anyway, money well spent. I think you can get them between $10, $15. So I highly recommend it. Well, here's what I did. Pulled the washing machine away from the wall and disconnected the cold hose and hooked a garden hose to it. Then on the other end of the hose, I put this little high pressure spray head. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to run it in till it kind of bottoms out and then back it up just a little. Alright, well, we put the garden hose end in there and turned the pressure on, and that little bladder swelled up large enough that it won't leak very much water into the cabinet, but it's basically forcing water pressure, I'm hoping, to the drain line. Well, we're going to go over here and we're going to check out this inspection port, and I'll see if I can't get you to where you can see the water coming out. Right here, what I'm trying to show you is that I have a decent flow of water now, so we'll see. So anyway guys, I tell you what, this little product called the Drain King, money well spent, cost me $10 and unstopped it in 2 minutes. So as always, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.